A little bit after midnight. Loading up. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, I am. We're 2 hours in. Had to fill up already. Full 200 miles.
Still got a good 8 hours to go.
Oh yeah.
Now you're going to be at a half a tank.
Fill up. It'll be cheaper.
True.
Yeah, it will be.
I would hope that knows. What we got here, Vic?
Dude, I think we ran out of fucking gas. It just started misfiring. It just died. Got a little over a quarter of a tank, but now we got to unload that Rx8 and somehow push that thing in. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
You think so?
I hope so. I mean, it drank for a second.
So hopefully, shoot, just to get in here. Ooh, that's a drop down there, boy. That is a drop right there. Woo, and that wind blowing up. Trying to put this one into the trailer. Might have ran out of gas. We'll figure that out later, but we gotta hit the road. Still got another 5 hours to drive. We've driven over 200 miles.
I don't want to figure it out here. It may or may not be the problem.
Have you looked down there yet? Look at that 18 wheeler.
Give me a little something. Yes, sir.
It was either that, yeah, it wasn't flat at top.
You would have known. That thing's all the way flat.
Nick, look at this.
What you doing, Tyler? Trying to get some gas.
We found the hose.
Got 3 pumps going.
Those are Graham's tires. He's going to look. He's got some replacement ones. They're better. Michelin AS4s.
Oh yeah.
And Nick didn't even video it.
What?
Nothing. I'm just
The hose strip?
yeah.
I think we're full. We're full.
Yeah.
$49, 10 gallons. Here, I got you. Okay.
Put it in reverse. Push it forward. 1. No, it's too
It's not gonna be next to drive when you put it in drive. Quick change. Ready from the rain. Got drizzled on the back. Had to hurry up, pull over. We're gonna switch the front tire off of here back to the white Rx8, which caught a flat earlier. We actually blue one caught a flat. We switched so Steven could get some sleep. Now we're switching back to avoid any problems with the radios in the rain. And watch it not even rain.
Imagine.
Watch it just go away.
Imagine if the rain just disappears.
But let's knock this out real quick and get back on the road. Good old rainy weather. 11 hours later, we're back in the storm.
Try to count again.
Oh, wait, no. Let's see, 12 noon. So we'll say about 15 hours later to be
That's
safe.
like 16.
16.
Because we're an hour ahead. All right, all our fat asses are in this little bitty car, but we fit, sort of.
My thumb gonna get tired of getting thumbs up today.
There's Josiah. Fucking Josiah.
Park it. Right there. Avery.
Avery.
Right there. Huh? Where's maybe over there?
Just park right over there, and then if somebody gets pissed off, we'll move the car.
Right here.
I guess in the water's good. Nobody's gonna go over there.
Appreciate it.
We DK, we Donkey Kong. Donkey Konging it up, boy. Y'all having fun?
No. Oh yeah, but then I got bit by ants.
Oh, well, don't do that.
What's up, dude?
Inside of it? How the hell do you get water in the car? Oh. Just pull one of the plugs out the bottom. You don't got any?
No, I'm just talking about the seat.
Oh.
Rip it on the seat.
We don't got a vacuum cleaner.
You're not getting the 420 sticker, you know?
Oh, yeah, it don't look like you ever getting a new one, huh? You can dry on those gloves.